In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Customuse.
Let's take a look around the homepage and find out what you need to start creating. With Customuse, you can design your own Roblox 2D outfits, Zepeto clothing, Roblox 3D items, Minecraft skins.
And even TikTok and Snapchat filters.
We can individually explore these categories. Choose a platform, and from here, select these tabs to filter through different categories. Here, you can scroll down for a library of designs. Alternatively, you can scroll down here on the main homepage and scan through designs you might want to use. You can also select the See All button right here and scroll down. If you have a specific design in mind, you can use the Search tab. You can use this drop-down menu to filter your search to something more specific. Let's go back to the homepage by clicking this right here. On the left-hand side, there are additional tabs for you to use. This tab shows you a page of all the different designs you've created. You'd be able to see all the designs you have under your profile. Below that tab, you'd be able to use the Explore page. Here, you'd be able to see all the designs the community has created. You can use this to get inspiration for your future designs. Right under that tab, you'll be able to find your account settings. You'd be able to view your subscription status, change your profile name, and even link your Discord account. You'd also be able to find this tutorial tab right here. Find articles for specific tutorials. Finally, you'll be able to find this help button, which redirects you to our Discord server, where you can directly ask us for help or report any bugs. Alternatively, you'd be able to access these three tabs by selecting your profile icon. Right beside that icon, you'd be able to find this Generate AI button. Here, you can select if you want to generate a Roblox outfit or a Minecraft skin using AI. If you select either of these options, you'd be redirected to this page where you can generate outfits by typing in a prompt. If you noticed, right beside the Generate AI button, you'll find the Custo Coins tab. These coins count as credits when you generate AI outfits.
In the next tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can use the Customuse editor.